Hello, who can stop crane operations? There are normal procedures for operating cranes. Step of operating with cranes includes selection of crane, personnel and other lifting appliances and accessories correctly. So you also have to look at the information on load, ground, area, location, etc. And barrier the area off and to better control the lifting operations. So only authorized people can be involved in lifting operation. So if you see any danger, anyone can stop the lifting operation. However, it's strongly recommended to inform the banksman or the person responsible, person in charge for lifting operations about the danger and let them to take the next step and stop the operations, because this may also create another unsafe conditions in case crane operator don't see the lifting operation, or the banksman, or they use the radio to communicate. So sometimes trying to stop the operation may create another issue, another unsafe condition. That's why it's better to banksman or lift person in charge to communicate the crane operator to stop the lifting operation. So that's it about stopping the operations. Thank you very much and see you on next videos.